Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD, and in this video I will show you how to export mobile number from WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to Chrome browser, and at first I need to log in on WhatsApp web. From your phone, just go to WhatsApp, and from here at the top right corner see three dots. From here click on link a device. So I am scanning the QR code from my laptop and I am logging in WhatsApp web. Now I am logged in on WhatsApp web. Okay, and this is Chrome browser. So at the top right corner see three dot icon. From here extension, see visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for this one, contact saver for WhatsApp. Okay, from here add to Chrome, see add extension, so it will be added here. Extension is being downloaded, so see it has been downloaded. Contact saver for WhatsApp, export and backup has been added to Chrome. Click on this extension and from here see you have to pin it, then you will see the extension here. So now click on extension and from here see filter by groups and you will choose that particular groups. So this is the group I want to export mobile number from here, so I am selecting this group. Okay, from here see all groups also selected, so I have to deselect this. I have to remove this tick mark and click on here. Okay, now see filter by groups, export contacts from group. So this is the group and the file format Excel format. Okay, now see exclude admin. If you put a tick mark here, then all the mobile numbers will be exported except admin. I want to the mobile number of admin as well. Okay, so I will remove the tick mark and just click on export and see you will see the Excel file has been downloaded. So I'm going to open this file. So this is the downloaded file. Okay, so this is the phone number actually, and this is also the name. Okay, this is safe name and this is public name, and this is the all the phone number. This is country name, this is country code. So all the data from that group have been downloaded. Okay, so this is how you can export mobile number from any WhatsApp group in couple of seconds. So if you think this video is important, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.